Listen up, because I'm about to break down monitor panels in a way that's going to save your wallet and your eyeballs. You're probably staring at the wrong screen right now. And for traders, that can cost you more than money. It can cost focus, it can cost you comfort, execution speed, and sometimes your sanity during long trading sessions. And here's the thing nobody talks about. Most people walk into a store, they see a huge shiny monitor, and they assume all screens are basically the same. Wrong. Dead wrong. The panel inside your monitor changes everything. How clean your charts look, how fast price action feels, and whether your eyes are fried after 8 hours of staring at candles. Understanding this can literally save you hundreds of dollars on your next setup. So let's go ahead and simplify something that sounds complicated, but really isn't. There are 5 main monitor types, and each one has a totally different personality. Think of them like cars. They'll all get you from A to B, but the ride is very, very different. First up, TN panels, also called twisted pneumatic. But don't bother memorizing the name. Just remember what they're built for: speed, pure speed, and nothing else. TN panels were designed to eliminate motion blur. Back in the old days, fast movement on screen looked like a smeared mess. TN fixed that with insanely fast response times. And if you're a competitive gamer, that mattered. But for traders, here's the problem. TN panels are awful at almost everything else. Colors look washed out, blacks look gray, and viewing angles are brutal. Move your head slightly and the chart changes. And that's not what you want when you're tracking price levels, volume, and momentum. For most traders in 2026, TN panels feel outdated and uncomfortable. And if you want a full breakdown of monitors, processors, graphics cards, AI, and what actually matters for your trading, grab my complete guide to trading computers. That link is in the description, and it'll save you from buying the wrong gear. Now let's talk about the panel that changed everything: IPS, in-plane switching. In-plane switching was created to fix everything TN did wrong: better colors, better viewing angles, and a much more comfortable experience. With IPS, colors stay consistent no matter where you're sitting. Straight on, off to the side, leaning back in your chair. Charts stay clean and readable, and that's why IPS panels are everywhere. Modern IPS panels are also very fast. The old idea that IPS is too slow is outdated. For 99% of traders, IPS is more than fast enough. You get accurate colors, wide viewing angles, and solid brightness. Unless you're competing in professional esports, you're not missing out on speed. And that's why IPS is the safe, reliable choice for most trading setups. Next up, we have VA panels, vertical alignment. VA panels have one big superpower, and that is contrast. They produce much deeper blacks than IPS. If you trade at night or you run dark chart themes, VA can look incredible. Shadows look like real shadows instead of gray blobs. It adds depth and makes charts easier on the eyes in low light. But here's the trade-off. VA panels can struggle with fast motion. You might notice black smearing when prices move quickly. For fast scalping or rapid momentum trading, that can be distracting. But if you prioritize immersion, long sessions, and dark environments, VA panels can be fantastic. It all comes down to how you trade. Now we're entering the premium territory, OLED, OLED. OLED is a completely different animal. Each pixel lights itself up, which means true blacks. When something is black on an OLED screen, it's actually off. There's no glow, there's no haze, there's no blooming. Charts look razor sharp and motion is instant. OLED looks unreal. There's no other way to say that. And once you see it, going back to a standard liquid crystal display in LCD feels like a downgrade. But there are 2 real considerations: cost and burn-in risk. OLED is expensive, and static elements like charts, taskbars, and platforms can cause burn-in over time. Modern OLEDs have protections, but it's something traders must be aware of. Finally, let's talk about Mini LED. Mini LED is still LCD technology, usually IPS, but with a much more advanced backlighting system. Instead of a few lighting zones, you get thousands. What that means is better brightness and better contrast. And Mini LED monitors get extremely bright, which is great for daylight trading and for HDR. and there's absolutely no burn-in risk like OLED. Mini LED is the safest high-end choice. You get near OLED image quality, insane brightness, and long-term reliability. It's a great option for traders who want premium visuals without babysitting their screen for burning. So let's simplify everything. Fast trading and performance focus? Go with IPS. One monitor that does everything well? IPS again. Best image quality money can buy? OLED. Premium visuals with fewer worries? Mini LED. The key is matching the panel to how you actually trade. My absolute recommendation in terms of value and visual quality is going to be IPS monitors. Picking the wrong monitor can mean eye strain, missed details, and frustration and headaches every single day. The right monitor you don't even notice, and that's exactly what you want as a trader. No eye strain, no missed trades, seeing crisp details directly on your screen. Your screen should help you trade, not fight you. And dude, why haven't you subscribed yet? Do me a favor, slam that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm dropping no BS info for traders every single week. Also, do me a favor, drop a comment and tell me what panel you're using right now. And as a quick last reminder, go grab the complete guide to trading computers. That link is in the description. And if you know you're ready to upgrade to the latest technology for trading, we have an awesome machine on sale right now. There's a direct link to that sale in the description below. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see the best computer for trading that money can buy, watch this video next. And as I always say, may the trend be with you.